If you will ever try to create a lot of VLOOKUP formulas on the same table, you will quickly think of some kind of shortcuts for that. For example, if we have a VLOOKUP on the salesperson and we would like to look up the columns to the right, we can select the array from H to K and then select to find the second column and to use the exact match. And now when we have this kind of formula, we can copy it, use escape to run away of the formula bar and paste it and just change the index of the column. But if you have a lot of formulas like this and a lot of columns to be looked up, then this might be tedious, and then you start thinking how can you change dynamically the column index argument. And this is where the column formula comes into place, where it always gives you the number of the column you have selected, and I'm just selecting the B1 cell as my starting point for the reference, because on the B1 cell the end result would be number 2, as A column is the first one and B is the second one. And what you can observe when we start copying this formula to the right in a second, you will see that this particular argument is being also moved to the right, which means it takes the next columns and finds the other things. We can also check that in the evaluate formula window, where when we start evaluating the formula, you can see that we are now in the 4th column, starting from the H, which was the first one, to calculate the rest of the VLOOKUP. And this is how you can quickly obtain a lot of VLOOKUPs based on a single table.